Against us. We must strike back.
Right, well, we'll just take off these bubble-skin jumpsuits. It's easy to be the cause of the trouble. And then we'll bring them round again. That's strange. It's stuck to him.
It's stuck to his skin. Suit ties are seen.
Ah, it's as though it's part of them. It's their skin.
Let me examine them. You are right, Andrew. The bubble skin does seem to be becoming part of him. The process is far from complete. We must try and stop it if we can.
Well, quick, Tim. What do we do?
Don't panic, Elizabeth, for a start. What do you need, Tim?
I think the process is more advanced with Mike. I will start with him first, put him on the MediPro couch.
Right.
Now, stand back, please.
What happened? What did you do, Tim?
I stimulated the antibodies inside Mike to reject the alien skin. They destroyed it utterly, I'm afraid.
Is he all right now?
His body will be drained of energy, the same as someone who has just fought off a serious illness. If you take him to his cabin to rest, I would like to help Sue Tai now.
All right, Tim.
One of our number is destroyed. Absorb.
Now stand back again, please.
Something's wrong.
What's happening, Tim? It wasn't like this with Mike.
Skin seems to be resisting. I must increase the power. That has done it. It was much harder that time, as though the bubble skin on Sutai knew somehow what had happened to the one on Mike, and it had almost managed to work out a way to resist the treatment.
But that's incredible.
I know, but it happened. If I hadn't turned up the power to the point where it could have injured Sutai, the skin might have won. I think there's danger the treatment might fail completely if we try to use it another time.
But what about Sue Tai? Is she all right?
Yes, but she needs rest, the same as Mike.
They look so innocent. One thing's for sure, whatever these really are, they're not just trendy new clothes designed by the Bubbleskin Fashion Company.
But what are they, John?
Any ideas, Tim?
They are a life form of some sort, seemingly able to take over the bodies of other creatures, human beings at least.
Well, are they from outer space?
It is most probable that they are.
Yes, well, we'll put Sutai to bed, and then we'll pay the Bubbleskin Fashion Company a visit.
Aye, we'll show them.
Yes, Andrew, we will, but you won't. You'll stay here and look after Mike and Sutai.
Aye.
No arguments. Someone's got to look after them. It's a responsible job.
Okay.
All to be masters here. We have enemies. Humans. They must be absorbed.
Masters, tell me what to do.
They will come here. We shall be waiting.
Please, can't I come?
In word, no.
They've gone.
You must not fret about being left behind, Andrew.
No, I'm not. I'll just wait till Mike and Sutai wake up.
You could do with some sleep yourself, Andrew.
No, I'll be all right.
There's nothing like a bubbleskin jumpsuit. You'll never regret buying one, as long as you live. Call again sometime.
Oh, this is where we got our bubbleskin jumpsuits from. I'll go and ask him. I'd like to see some bubbleskin jumpsuits.
Oh, I'm very sorry, miss. We're waiting for some more to come in. There's such a demand.
It is them, our enemies.
I wonder if you could put us in touch with the manufacturers of the jumpsuits.
I'm afraid they only supply to the trade, sir.
Well, actually, we're journalists. We want to do an article on this new bubbleskin fashion craze.
We need to absorb them.
Just a moment, sir. I'll see what I can do.
Thank you.
Bring them to us. We will deal with them.
Would you come with me, please?
Are you asleep, Andrew? Sleep well.
This way, please.
John, what are they?
Aliens, I think. And the source of those bubbles.
Masters are waiting.
Who are you? What do you want? Where are you from?
You must not question the masters.
Absorb.